Here's how to talk about finding things in Igbo using three simple structures. Number 1. Achọtala dash. I have found dash. Achọtala ya. I have found it. Achọtala ekwentị. I have found my phone. Achọtala nwaigodo. I have found my keys. 2. Ịchọtala dash. Have you found dash? Ịchọtala ya. Have you found it? Ịchọtala ekwentị gị. Have you found your phone? Ịchọtala nwaigodo gị. Have you found your keys? And our final phrase is Gịnị ka ịchọtara? What did you find? And to answer this, we come back to number 1. Achọtala ya. Achọtala ekwentị. Achọtala nwaigodo. And you can check the caption to see a list of other things you can use with this structure. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ịchọtala ya, have you found it? How would you say, no, I have not found it? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.